Hi my lovely friends, welcome to the Boo Boo Beauty world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple skin scrub using only fresh grapefruit juice and sea salt. Alright, let's get started. First, we are going to need a 1/2 to 1 cup of sea salt. Sea salt naturally cleanses and fights acne-causing bacteria. It also fights redness and improves skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. You can also use it to exfoliate your skin to make it very subtle and smooth. I am just using 1/2 cup for now. Next, 1/4 cup of fresh grapefruit juice. Grapefruit is rich in antioxidants and it transforms dull skin to radiance. It also hydrates your skin and reduces redness and inflammation of the skin. It helps even out skin tone for a smooth complexion too. Let's squeeze the juice. Once you're done, pour the juice in a measuring cup. If there are any seeds, make sure to remove them. Let me put on my gloves really quick. Pour the juice over the sea salt. Stir it well and add some more sea salt if it looks runny. Keep adding more salt until it becomes more thick and like a paste. It's not runny anymore, it is ready now. Next, put it in a clean container. Now it is time to test it. Now scrub it on your skin. It smells so good like grapefruit. Scrub it on your skin for a little bit. Then you'll rinse it off. Once you rinse it off, it will leave your skin soft and very smooth. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you never miss my latest content. Wishing you an amazing day, and I can't wait to catch up with you in my next video. Bye!